Hello, my name is Peter Silcott from Epson UK. What we're demonstrating today is how little power is needed to power the Epson WorkForce Pro. So what we're illustrating here is using a bicycle to generate the energy to run the printer. One of our key environmental goals is to illustrate how little energy is needed and to cut the amount of energy consumed by our products over the life cycle of those products by as much as 50%. So what we're illustrating here, which I'm going to ask Joey to do, is to start cycling on the bicycle, and then I'll illustrate how little power it actually needs. But before you start, Joey, just try and start the printer. See whether you can actually start the printer. And you see there's no power at all attached to the printer at all at the moment. So Joey, if you'd like to start cycling. Okay, so now Joey's getting up to speed. You won't feel any resistance just yet until he starts to power the printer itself. So you'd like to sort of hit the on button. And now we can see we have power. Now if this was a laser printer, you would have to cycle 10 times faster than this to be able to actually power the laser printer. In fact, you'd have to be Chris Hoy at his very peak of performance to actually get enough power to do that. So Joey here is just cycling along at a very steady level. You can feel some resistance in terms of the actual power consumption. What I'm going to now ask you to do is you just hit the green button over there, and you're actually going to start copying a particular print. And you can see that it starts to print straight away. You can feel some power, you can feel some resistance in actually your motion, but actually it's very smooth and it takes very little power. And we know that we can actually get a 5-year-old to do exactly this task. So well done, Joey. That's his page he's printed simply by cycling. This is a great application within sort of schools and other areas where you can illustrate how little energy is needed and Epson's kind of desire to cut down the amount of energy consumed and the environmental cost. Thank you very much.